Hi, dear Gemini. A very good evening and very warm evening to you guys. So, this is a general love reading from 26th of April till 3rd of May for those who are in separation with their partner or who are in no contact with the other person. Okay, so we will tap into a partner's energy or your person's energy, you can say, and your energy and their feelings for you, what they want from you, and the expected outcome. Okay, so right now their current energy Gemini is Page of Wands. Okay. So I feel like this person wants to communicate with you big time. So right now they are planning to communicate with you. They want to send you some kind of message. They are this is kind of messenger for me. So they are passionate. They are passionate about you, and they want to have a passionate a new beginning, a new uh, conversation with you, a communication coming in towards you from this person. Let's clarify. Page of Wands. Why is this Page of Wands here as this person's energy? So this is Seven of Wands, Page of Cups, and the Devil. Okay. So this person's energy right now is this communication is coming in because right now I feel in the recent past they were very closed off. They were not talking to you, or if they were in the talking terms, on the talking terms, they were not talking to you like a lover, or they were not revealing their true feelings. Now they are developing kind of new feelings for you. Now they are feeling obsessed with you. Okay, so this is kind of obsession card. This is sometimes it is very positive, sometimes it kind of takes a negative turn as well, but right now in this case I feel like these are new developing feelings and they're kind of obsessed with you a little bit, and that is why they are their current energy is of they want to communicate with you. Their current energy is of communicating with you. Okay, this is their current energy. They are kind of little obsessed with you, Gemini. I think your thoughts are overpowering. They're overpowering their emotions, and that is why they want to connect with you. Your current energy, Gemini, is the Chariot. You are moving on like a king. So you are just trying to move on from this person, and you are might be successful as well in this in this work of yours to move on from this particular person, because I feel like you feel like this person is no longer interested in you, or this relationship or this partnership or this connection is going nowhere. So that is why you are just trying to move on. Let's clarify the Chariot, Gemini. The Chariot. Let's clarify the Chariot. Temperance, the Fool, and the Ten of Pentacles. I feel like yes, you are moving on and you're trying to balance your emotions. You are ready for a new beginning and you are heading towards a prosperous life. Okay, so I feel like if I feel like you are moving on from this person for the very good of yours, for the highest good of yours, and you are trying to balance your emotions. You are ready to have a new you are ready to take a new risk in your life, and you are ready to head towards the Ten of Pentacles, your own happiness. You are working on your own happiness, Gemini. This is your current energy. Their feelings for you right now. What are their feelings for you? This person's feelings for you, Gemini, is okay. Three of Swords. They are very sad about this separation. They are very lost about this separation. They are feeling, they are not at all feeling good. They are very sad. They are lost without you. They are feeling there's nothing good in this life. Sadness, heartbreak, heartache. They are going through this. They are feeling heartache. They are feeling a very huge loss from the day you guys were separated. Okay, so let's clarify the Three of Swords, Gemini, for their feelings for you. Two of Cups, the Magician, and the Knight of Wands. Okay, so I feel like they're hurt because they felt like you were their soulmate, and they manifested you in their life, and you guys had a very beautiful chemistry. So basically they are heartbroken. They are feeling Three of Swords because they see you as their soulmate. They see you as somebody who could turn into a soulmate easily. And I feel like this person manifested you. This person manifested the soulmate connection in their life, and they felt like there's a beautiful chemistry between you guys. if not on the emotional level, on the physical level. Okay, so I feel like this person is completely heartbroken over you, and they manifested you in their life, and now when you are gone they are feeling like lost without you. They have nothing to do without you, very very sad over you. Okay, so what they want from you? Okay, what they want from Gemini? Nine of Cups. They want wish fulfillment from you. They see you as their wish fulfillment, and they feel like you should be in their life and make their life happy as it used to be before the separation. Okay, so all they want from you is happiness. All they want from you is wish fulfillment, because I feel like this person is a big time manifester, and they manifested you in their life. And when things turn out sour and they felt heartbroken, now they want their wish fulfillment back. Now they want their happiness back with you. Let's clarify the Nine of Cups, Knight of Swords, Strength, and the King of Cups. Okay. I feel like this person is, avoiding to rush in. They are holding back right now because they feel like their emotions are genuine. Their love is genuine for you. So that is why they are, they're trying to not to rush into things. Okay, and they are holding back a little bit from you right now. And eventually they love you. That is why they are holding back. They are not trying to reach out to you as a like desperate person, or as somebody who is just want to jump into bed with you or something like that. They just want to take things slow with you. Okay, they just want their wish fulfillment. They just want to have a happy life with you, because eventually they are madly in love with you, Gemini. Because there's lots of emotions. King of Cups is here, Two of Cups is here, Nine of Cups is here. Lots of emotions are there. So what to expect from this person till 3rd of May? What to expect from this person, or the potential outcome of this connection till 3rd of May from 26th of April? Three of Wands, waiting. I don't feel like this person is coming towards you. They are just waiting on you to reach out to them, okay? I feel like this person is waiting on you big time to reach out to them and talk to them from your side. Although they want to text you, although they want to talk to you, although the energies of, is behind the scenes, they are planning to come back to you. They are planning to talk to you. They are planning to send you some kind of message or email or something like that. But right now, the outcome is telling me that they are waiting on you to reach out to them. This is the scenario. Let's clarify the Three of Swords, Three of Wands. So the Three of Wands is clarified by the Nine of Swords, Ten of Cups, and the Three of Pentacles. So I feel like they are waiting on you to reach out to them, because I feel like there will be a peaceful resolution from your side. If you are coming towards them, then there will be a peaceful resolution. Then there will be a happy family. Then they will be able to put in the effort, put in the effort and energy in this relationship if you reach out to them. Because right now I feel like they are not reaching out to you. They are just waiting on you to reach out to them. Okay, if they reach out to you, they will not I feel like this person is not going to tell you exactly what they are feeling if they are coming towards you. But I feel like this person is waiting for you to reach out to them big time. Okay, because they feel like there will be a peaceful resolution only if you are ready to reach out to them, if you are ready to talk to them, if you are ready to communicate with them. Then only this thing is possible. This peaceful resolution is possible. This happily ever after is possible. This teamwork is possible if you are ready to reach out to this person. Okay, so the bottom of the mutual energy for both the parties is the Five of Pentacles. Somebody felt like someone left the other party in the cold. Somebody left the other party and walked away. So this is the mutual energy. This is the energy that you guys are feeling right now. You might be blaming them. They might be blaming you that you left them. So blame game is on. Cold vibes are on. So this is what is happening. So Gemini, so let's pull one card as an advice from this Love Oracle deck till 3rd of May. Gemini, the message for you guys. Gemini. Guess it. Outdated thinking, conditioning, replaying events over in your head. So this is the message from the universe for you guys till 3rd of May. You have to remove this outdated thinking from your part, and I feel like you are, replaying the events over and over in your mind. You just have to come out of this situation. And if you want to reach out to this person, just reach out to this person. They are waiting on you very big time, and they love you, and they want to send you some kind of message, and they want to a little obsessed with you. They are also obsessed with you a little bit. Okay. So thank you so much for thank you so much, Gemini, for listening to me. I'm not feeling a little well today, so that is why I'm kind of, my throat chakra is blocked in between. So thank you so much for listening to me. God bless you. Namaste. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Let me know in the comment section below if this story resonates with you, and keep watching me. Thank you. Namaste.